BTC just hit 76k for the first time since February, and we have seen 8 days of massive green candle here on daily price chart. While in the last 24 hours, we have seen a lot of short positions being liquidated at this level. So the question is this a true breakout, or this is just another catalyst or another trap that is going to send us into much more lower prices? Because it's been a while we've seen such massive liquidation here from the short positions. Well, I think we are having a lot of risk on the table right now, and in this video we are going to take a look at each of the risk, and we are going to see if this is a true breakout or this is definitely a setup trap or another trap that is going to send us into much more lower prices. So make sure you sit around and watch this video to the end, because we are going to take a look at a lot of data right here and a lot of catalysts that are currently influencing the Bitcoin price. With that being said, before we take a look at the price chart right here, first of all, this week is going to be a volatile week because 18th of March, which is tomorrow, definitely we are having a FOMC meeting, and this is a decision if we are going to get, and this meeting is about a decision if we are going to get a rate cut or we are not going to get a rate cut here in March. Though the market is already priced in as not going to be a rate cut in March, but if we do if we do see any changes from Powell, definitely we are going to see BTC using it as a catalyst and also a fuel to hit much more higher prices. So that is that for what is currently coming in during the week. And since it is a volatile week, I will advise you approach it with a proper risk management. Now, taking a look at BTC here on the weekly time frame, this is a good startup from the BTC price chart. Seeing this kind of green candle is something we have been hoping for, something we have been praying to see on the weekly time frame here. But to break it to you, we are not yet in a safe zone yet, because currently we are still struggling to hold to break and hold above this level here, the 78k level, which I've been talking about in the past few days. Like I said, this level is going to be, if we are definitely going to get a reversal from the bear market, or this will be a massive rejection that is going to send us into much more lower level, like the 59k to 58k level. So this is what I'm currently seeing here on the price chart. Until we break above the 78k level, this is the only level that we confirm if we are beginning to start a new bull market, or if we are in a clear safe zone. Because if you take a look at it now, like I said in my previous video, in order for you to confirm to see that yes, we are in a new bull market, we need the weekly candle to break above the 50 weekly moving average, because the 50 weekly moving average is an indicator that has always given us a clear signal that yes, we are in a bull market. Like what I said in my previous video, if you take a look at it here back in 2023 when we broke into it, this was a major pivot that told us that yes, we are in a bull market. So right now I'm expecting the price either to break above the 98k level, which will tell us that yes, we are in a bull market, or for the price to break above this 78k level here, hold above it, then we can begin to get a little bit of consolidation above the 78k level. And with that doing, we are going to see the 50 weekly moving average coming down to the price, and this will ease the Bitcoin price to break above it easily, and from there we are definitely going to get a reversal from this massive downtrend and from this bear market here. But without me seeing that we are not yet in a clear zone here, what we are seeing here now is just a relief rally. Now, if you take a look at it on the daily time frame here, you definitely see what I am actually talking about. In the past few months, like Q4 of 2025, back in November, we saw this bear flag pattern, which we are currently having right now. But the thing is, we have finally gotten a breakout above it, and this is I think this is the third day of we being above this level. This level has been a major pivot that kept us in this massive depressing ranging price action. But right now we are back above it. So what I'm expecting from BTC, like what I said on the weekly time frame, is to get a massive relief from here to come into this level here, which is the sitting at this level right now, the 78k to the 80k level. If we can get a candle or a green candle that is going to close into this level right here, then hold it as a major key level of support easily, we are going to flip bullish for the long term. And with so doing, we are going to get a proper reversal from this bearish sentiment here. So without us seeing such movement, we are not yet in the clear zone here. We might as well get a rejection right now, break into this zone, and from there we are going to get into much more lower prices. But for now, on the daily price chart, what we need to do here, since we've gotten a breakout from this level, is to see the price holding firmly above this level right here, sitting at the 71k to 72k. This is a level on the daily price chart that is going to at least keep us bullish for a while. And if we can hold the level right here, definitely we are going to see or get a momentum that will get us pushed above this major level of resistance right here. So this is what I'm calling seeing here on the price chart. And if we get a rejection right now right here and break into this zone here, definitely we are coming down to grab the liquidity that's sitting at the 62k level, and also this level that is sitting at the 60k to 59k level. Now if you take a look at the liquidation heat map here, in my previous video I talked about this 75k level, of which we are having a lot of liquidation. Right now we've already taken the liquidation here, and we don't have much more liquidation above us, and also here we don't have a lot of liquidation below us, though this is 2 weeks of price action. And if we zoom out into the 1 month time frame, you will see properly where the current liquidation lies. We are still having lots of liquidation price below the current price of BTC, and it's sitting at the 54k level. That is why I said, in order for we to be in a clear zone, we need to hold firmly above this level, the 72k to 71k level, in order for we to avoid these levels right here. Because if we should get a break into this level right now, if we fail to hold above this level, definitely we are coming down to grab the liquidity right here. Though we are still having a little bit of liquidation building above the current price of BTC, sitting at approximately 80k 500. We are a little bit closer to the 80k 500. We might take this level before coming down to take this level right here. But what I want to see, like I said, is for on the daily price chart here, is to hold above this level right now. Then from there we can see what is going to happen next. Though I do believe this is a bullish signal, but to be in a safe zone, we are not yet in a clear breakout yet. We are just in a relief rally, I would say. And I think a lot of traders and a lot of day traders are currently using this opportunity to enter in short positions. What I want to see is more liquidation of those short positions by way hitting much more higher prices here on the price chart. Now, if you take a look at the Bitcoin ETF here, this is a huge, massive, positive performance from the Bitcoin ETF. I think it's been 7 days of massive inflow. This is the first time we've seen such inflow in 2026, having 7 days straight of massive inflow. This is good for the short term, and I can assure you that this is one of the reasons why we are seeing BTC price having this much relief right here. Because as you can see, we have been seeing 8 days of green candle, and if you take a look at the Bitcoin ETF, we have been seeing 7 days of massive inflow. Yesterday inflow, which is 16th of March, we had $199 million that was deposited into the Bitcoin ETF. So this is to say a lot of investors and a lot of institutions are now interested into BTC and any other risk asset like other altcoins. So this is what we have here on the Bitcoin ETF. Now taking a look at ETH here on the daily time frame, this is a great and a massive breakout here from the ETH. In the past few days, I've been talking about this level right here, the $2,095 to $2,016. This has really been a huge and a strong resistance to beat. But right now, we just got a massive green candle that broke above it. And in fact, we've already closed above it. And this is kind of bullish. And right now, we're about to invalidate this bear flag here. And what I'm expecting next from ETH, since we've gotten this breakout, is to hold above the level firmly as a major level of support, since it has been serving as a massive level of resistance. Right now is the right time for it to serve as a massive level of support. And if we can see or get the price holding above this level, definitely we are going to break out from this massive bearish trend line that has been keeping us in this bearish price action in the past few months. So what I'm expecting from ETH right now is to hold above this level, is to hold above this level right here. Then from there we can get a momentum or a massive strength to break above this trend line, and from there we are going to take out much more higher prices. What I don't want to see from the ETH price chart, since we've broken out from this level of resistance here, is another breakdown into the level, because if we get a breakdown into the level, definitely we are going to see a major break into much more lower prices, like the $1,800 level and the $1,550 level. We don't want to see that here on the daily price chart of ETH. Though what we are seeing now is a massive relief and a massive startup for a bullish trend. I'm not saying we are clear in the zone yet, but this is a start of something good. What we need to see now is ETH should hold above this level. Then from there, we can begin to see much more higher prices. Now, if you take a look at ETH pair to BTC, right now we have seen something interesting at this level. You can see we have been in this massive downtrend in the past, let me say in the past few years, because this level has been a major resistance since 2021. And right now, we are here again trying to test the level. And if we should get a break above this trend line right here, we are going to see a lot of altcoin going into much more higher prices. This would be a catalyst that will tell us that yes, we are definitely going to outperform Bitcoin in the next bull market. So what I want to see here on the monthly time frame here, I need a breakout from this level of resistance right here, then hold it as a major level of support. From there, we are definitely going to see ETH and a lot of altcoins outperforming BTC, which means to say liquidity and capital will now be rolling out of BTC into ETH and a lot of altcoins. And this is where the real money is, because altcoins is what that gives us the real money in the crypto market, because you can just get an altcoin now that is going to do 10 to 20x, like I said in my video yesterday when I mentioned about Tao, FET and other AI tokens. This is one of the evidence why I made such video, because currently we are about to get a breakout that will give us a massive alt season that we haven't seen since 2021. So with that being said, here, this is what we have been seeing on the ETH. And in order for we to get this breakout, we need ETH right here to hold firmly above this level of support, like what I said. Then from there, we can get a strength that is going to break out from this trend line right here. So this is what we have on the ETH price chart and also on the BTC price chart right here. Like I said, this week is going to be a volatile week because 18th, which is tomorrow, is the FOMC meeting, and the market is already priced in. We are definitely not going to see a rate cut, but if we see Powell making a change decision, definitely the market is going to erupt, and from there, see that we break into much more higher prices or we break into much more lower prices. So after watching the video to this level, what do you think? Is this a fake out or this is absolutely a breakout from the bear market? Well, I will need your opinion in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and if this is your first time of watching my content, my name is Trend. I make daily videos talking about technical analysis and the on-chain activities that happen within the market. If you want to keep watching this kind of technical videos, you can as well subscribe to our YouTube channel right here. Turn on the notification button so that next time when we make a new update or a new video, you will definitely be notified. With that being said, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.